stop, I found out I see the driving turned into. I said I know a driving.
I know where you live, bitch.
Yeah, top of the hill over there by 30 and a half. Yeah, I'm sitting here, I'm even pointing at my sign that says stop, and she just, oh hi, bye. She's driving. I was like, point back at my sign and she's driving. I was like, that means stop. It definitely makes you wonder about the world. Holy crap.
I get those kind of people every day at work.
Sad part is I'm applying to do this full time.
Well, you kept talking bad about me while I was gone.
No, ma'am.
No.
Not me.
Now, why would I do that? Rawr.
He says something about it, your badonk-donk, but I told him to shush his mouth.
Yeah, he can't even get me in trouble. Even though I probably would say something about it for dunk dunk. Just saying.